This is the Magnum Everest. Now I'm going to be putting up pictures as I'm talking you through what's going on with this lock. So I'm going to kind of tell you what I'm doing and then refer to the pictures here and there. A friend of mine had this lock, was cool enough to gut it and send me pictures, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. So here's the key pins. They're super evil, and I just never seen key pins like this before, ever. But anyways, I'm using a 40 thousandths Z-bar tensioner in the kind of bottom side of the keyway, and just whatever dimple flag I could use to fit in there. Very, very, very light tension. If you use like any tension at all, the pins just don't want to move. They don't want to pick. It looks like there is some standard pins and spool pins in this lock, and also some ball bearings that are on the sides, which work with 2 sidebars, 1 on each side. Now, I think they're just passive sidebars. You're just picking the top pins, and that's it on this lock. So there is light milling in the core as well, which is probably another reason why, you know, the pins don't want to move if you use too much tension. But yeah, I'm just kind of using a twisting motion on this flag, and also just kind of laying it flat on the bottom of the key pin and pushing upwards sometimes. It just varies. It was very random, and it's just because the feedback on this is really just shitty, to be honest. It's just really shitty feedback, and it makes it very hard to understand what's happening in this lock. I had a rough time with it. I really did. But it is open. Woohoo! All right. So yeah, I kind of do a little celebration here. I'm super excited. Oh yeah, flipped it off and smacked it around. Nice. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.